go. So, hi everyone, we're the group 4 and we're gonna tackle about the Great Circle Sailing. So, this is MTech 101. So, period is final. So, the members are Cal Steven F. Caime, Decadet Serna, Decadet Flores, and Decadet Francisco. Next, so for the course outcome, demonstrate thorough knowledge and understanding of the content, application, and intent of the Great Circle Sailing.
Vessel from latitude 35 degrees in 27 minutes north, longitude 139 degrees and 39 minutes east, sail to latitude 37 degrees 48 minutes north, longitude 122 degrees 20 minutes west. Find the GCD, DLAT, DLong, initial course angle, initial course through, final course angle, and final course through. So in finding difference of latitude, you will just subtract, and then for the name is going to north, since it is increasing in finding D low, we'll add longitude longitude 1 and 2, since the answer exceeded 180 degrees, we'll minus it by 360 degrees to get the D low.
And next is getting the great circle distance, which is the formula cosine GCD is equals to cosine D long times cosine L1 times cosine L2 plus or minus sine L1 times sine L2. So the cosine L2 is cosine 98 degrees 1 minute times cosine 35 degrees 27 minutes, which is the latitude 1, times cosine 37 degrees 48 minutes, which is the latitude 2. And then we use the plus sign. So plus sine 35 degrees 27 minutes, which is the latitude 1, times sine 37 degrees 48 minutes, which is the latitude 2. And then the answer of the cosine 98 degrees and 1 minute is negative 0.13946. And then the answer of 3 cosine 35 degrees 27 minutes is 0.81462. And then the answer of cosine 37 degrees and 48 minutes is 0.79016. And then plus the answer of sine 35 degrees 27 minutes is 0.57990 times the answer of sine 37 degrees 48 minutes is 0.61291. And then the answer is negative 0.08977 plus 0.35543. And getting the GCD plus it, so the answer is 0.26566. And then by getting the GCD, which is in degree sign, we should shift cos shift cos 0.26566 is equals to 74.59. And then shift degrees, which is 74 degrees 35.6 minutes. And then by getting the GCD, which is the distance, we should times it to 60. So times 60 is equals to 4475.6 nautical miles.
So next is the how to find the initial course. So to find the initial course, we use the formula which is equal to sine latitude 2 cosine GCD times sine latitude 1 over sine GCD times cosine latitude 1. So our latitude 2 a while ago was 37 degrees 48 minutes. So we simply have to replace the variables. So cosine GCD 7435.6, sine 35 degrees 27 minutes, sine GCD, so the same, and cosine latitude 1. So we multiply cosine and sine first, and sine and cosine. So we have the answer here 0.6129. This is sine 37 degrees 48 minutes, and 0.15409, which is the result of cos cosine 74 degrees 35.6 minutes times sine 35.7. Then we multiply and subtract both of them. So we have 0.45882 and 0.78534. So we divide it, and we have an answer of 0.58423. And because cosine is still present, so we have to shift cosine. So shift cosine 0.58423 is equals to is equivalent to 54.25131537. And if we press the degree in the calculator, we will have an answer of 54 degrees 15.1, and 54 is north, and then for the longitude is east.
So in finding the final course, so we have a formula here. So cosine final course sine lat 1 minus cosine GCD times sine latitude 2 over sine GCD times cosine latitude 2. So we'll just get the values from the given. So sine 35 degrees to 7 minutes minus cosine 74 35.6 degrees times sine 3748 degrees over sine 74 35.6 degrees times cosine 3748 degrees, and then you will get those values. So we have here 0.57999 for the sine 35 degrees 27 minutes, and then for the product of cosine 7435 35.6 degrees and sine 37 degrees 48 minutes, we have 0.16282, and then over the values of sine 7435.6 minutes and cosine 37 degrees 48 minutes, we have 0.96406 times 0.79016. So for the numerator, we will minus that one, so the values will be 0.41716, and then for the denominator will be 0.76176. So for the answer for that one, next one is the 0.54763. And then since we have cosine in the left side, we're gonna transfer this one to the right side. This will be inverse cosine. So in doing that in your calculator, we'll just press shift cos uh, 0.54763, and then the answer would be 56 degrees for 7.7 degrees. So in getting the names, which is the southeast, I'll base this one contrary to your latitude 2, and then for the longitude you will base it for your gilong, which is the east. So since the direction of your final course is southeast, you will minus it to 180 since it belongs to quadrant 2. So the value will be 123 degrees 12.3 minutes east, or 123.24547. And then if we press degrees, we will have final final course true of 123.2 degrees true. So that's all in our report. So thank you for watching, and God bless.